So guys, Sasuke, oh, Jason, sorry. I'm so used to all the other channels on there, and I have those Sasuke, but I'm Jason, and I'm gonna be playing later on some Legends of Norath, the Darkened Shard, I think it is. Oh wait, oh, Legends of Norath, sorry. There's betas of it apparently, beta of Retinol, and all the other things. I just started downloading it now because, you know, like, it's an Emborg, and I thought I'd do it anyway, and yeah, you know, like, since it's like a Emborg, like I played Terra Online, and that's alright, but then, yeah, like, I'm just deciding on what to play nowadays, so I deleted my old Facebook, on my new one, and just stick to my, old one, so, yeah. What else? I went to the Maid Cafe on the weekend and had some fun there, and then went to a ramen place with friends and we had fun there, and after that, next day, which was today, what did I do? I got up and pretty much was gonna call my friend Van, but then he didn't pick up. So I don't have my phone here at the moment, so yeah, I'll probably call him when I get home, but yeah, we're gonna meet up and yeah, talk about games and stuff. I haven't seen him in ages since the course we did together, I think it was warehousing cert 3, so yeah. I'm still waiting for my RF scan. What is this? Like, I did it last Friday and I haven't even got it yet, so I'm waiting for my RF scanning. And yeah, I finished that. I'm waiting for that certificate to come in so I can do my RF scan and other stuff. Yeah, so see you guys later, and yeah, please message me what games you want me to do. I've got a person on here, Chai Mei, I think it is, Chi Mei. Gotta fail at that. Yeah, they requested Dark Souls 2. If it goes on PC, I shall be recording it. But I've already got it on PS3. I bought it, it was a week ago. It cost me like 95 bucks. But yeah, you know, yeah, I'm starting to complete it. I've already died a couple of times during the first level, but still, it's very new to me, so I'm gonna have to have a look at it when I when I get my copy back from my friend, who apparently is gonna give it back to me on the end of April. So yeah, what do you do? So I'll see you guys later. In the meantime, I'll be playing some PC games such as Legends of Norath, probably PlanetSide 2. So I'll see you guys later.